Welcome, animal enthusiasts. Have you ever stopped to wonder what it takes to feed the largest creatures on Earth? From the mighty elephants that roam the savannas to the colossal whales gliding through the oceans, the diets of these giants are as fascinating as their sheer size. Today we embark on a journey into the world of big animal diets, uncovering what fuels these amazing beings and how their eating habits shape the very environments they inhabit. Let's begin with the plant-eating behemoths, the herbivores. Picture the African elephant, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the land. Weighing as much as 13,000 pounds and standing up to 13 feet tall, these gentle giants are true marvels of nature. But such size comes with an equally enormous appetite. Every day, an adult elephant consumes between 300 and 400 pounds of vegetation. Imagine eating the equivalent of 2 full-grown humans in leafy greens, roots, bark, and fruit every single day. Their remarkable trunks act as both hands and noses, skillfully plucking leaves from towering trees and pulling up tough grasses. Inside their mouths, large, flat molars grind down fibrous plants, turning tough materials into digestible food. Elephants spend up to 18 hours a day foraging and eating, their lives revolving around the constant quest for nourishment. Next, let's raise our gaze to the treetops, where the giraffe reigns supreme. With necks stretching up to 6 feet long and a total height of around 18 feet, giraffes have evolved to reach food sources inaccessible to most other animals. Their favorite meal? The tender leaves and shoots of acacia trees. Each day, a giraffe munches through about 75 pounds of foliage, using a long, prehensile tongue to strip leaves from thorny branches. Their digestive systems are specially adapted to extract maximum nutrition from these tough, fibrous meals, allowing them to thrive in the African savanna. Now let's shift our focus to the meat eaters, the carnivores. On land, the polar bear stands out as the largest. Tipping the scales at up to 1,500 pounds, these Arctic predators have adapted to one of the harshest environments on the planet. Their primary food source is the seal, rich in the fat needed to survive frigid temperatures. A single successful hunt can provide a polar bear with enough calories to last a week or more. Incredibly, a polar bear can consume up to 100 pounds of seal blubber in one sitting, storing energy for the lean times when food is scarce. Their entire existence is a delicate balance between feast and famine, dictated by the ebb and flow of sea ice. But if we turn our attention to the sea, we encounter even larger carnivores. The sperm whale, for instance, is a true titan of the deep, reaching lengths of up to 67 feet and weighing as much as 63 tons. These deep-diving hunters venture thousands of feet below the surface in search of their favorite prey, the elusive giant squid. Every day, a sperm whale may consume over 2,000 pounds of squid and fish, relying on a highly efficient digestive system to process such massive meals. Their ability to dive to great depths and withstand immense pressures is a testament to the evolutionary arms race between predator and prey in the ocean's dark abyss. Let's not forget a special group of giants, the filter feeders. The blue whale, the largest animal to ever exist, is the ultimate example. Growing up to 100 feet long and weighing as much as 200 tons, blue whales feed almost exclusively on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. During feeding season, a single blue whale can consume up to 6 tons of krill in a single day, equivalent to the weight of an adult African elephant. Blue whales use baleen plates in their mouths to filter vast quantities of seawater, trapping krill and small fish as they swim with their mouths wide open. Despite their size, blue whales rely on some of the smallest creatures in the ocean for survival. Another gentle filter feeder is the whale shark, the largest fish in the sea. Growing up to 40 feet long and weighing 21 tons, whale sharks glide through tropical oceans, filtering plankton, small fish, and squid through their gills. They can process more than 1,500 gallons of water every hour, yet their daily food intake is relatively modest, about 20 to 30 pounds. This efficient feeding strategy allows them to thrive in nutrient-rich waters where plankton blooms are abundant. The caloric demands of these giants are truly staggering. A blue whale may require up to 1.5 million calories per day, the equivalent of eating 1,500 large pizzas. Elephants, on the other hand, need around 70,000 calories daily, which is why they spend most of their waking hours eating. These vast energy needs drive their behaviors and influence the ecosystems around them. But the impact of giant animal diets goes far beyond individual survival. Elephants, for example, are ecosystem engineers. As they feed, they clear paths through dense vegetation, opening up the forest floor to sunlight and new growth. Their dung spreads seeds across the landscape, aiding in the regeneration of forests and grasslands. Without elephants, many habitats would look very different. In the oceans, whales play a similarly crucial role. By feeding on vast quantities of krill and fish, they help regulate prey populations. Their nutrient-rich waste fertilizes the water, supporting the growth of phytoplankton, which forms the base of the marine food chain and produces much of the world's oxygen. Yet these giants face growing challenges. Climate change is altering food availability. Melting ice threatens polar bears' access to seals, while warming oceans and overfishing reduce krill populations for whales. On land, habitat destruction limits the food sources for elephants and giraffes. Human activities, from pollution to unregulated fishing, further disrupt the delicate balance these animals depend on. Conservation is more important than ever. Protecting habitats, restoring ecosystems, and addressing climate change are critical to ensuring that these giants and the environments they support thrive for generations to come. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to marvel at the incredible diets of Earth's largest animals. Their appetites shape our planet in ways both big and small, reminding us of the intricate connections that bind all living things. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the world of giants is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.